Hi parents, today in third grade the students started the day off by learning how to capitalize titles. We are using titles on our book talks, so we were talking about how we need to make sure when we're writing our book talks that we're doing titles properly. Each month they get a book talk like this. I just picked a book called Jabari Jumps, so I showed them how I'd write the title properly, but they're learning how they can use articles, conjunctions, and short prepositions are not capitalized in titles unless they're at the beginning or after a colon. And so they practiced those today, and then we corrected them together. Students 11 through 14 should have completed their September book talk by now. This is completely colored in and written on, so it's a complete product outlined in black when the students are done. So here's an example of one before. You can choose how to color it however they'd like. And then also in reading, we finished the story, The Tale of Midas, the Greek myth that we started yesterday. So we continued annotating the text and looking for different types of language, figurative language like personification, which we found here. And then the simile that we found on this page. We summarized what we read. You'll see them in the columns. And then our final summary, we had some words that we wrote on the sides to help us figure out what was going on. And then our final summary, and then we identified the moral of the story, what it means that all that glitters is not always golden. And that's what we did in language arts today. Again, if your student is numbers 11 through 14, they should have completed their book talk by now and be turning it in tomorrow's folder. The rest of the students are going next week.